Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and welcome to AIPI Makassar. Today, I want to show you one of the room on one of facility of my campus, AIPI Makassar.
Right. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I would like to introduce myself. My full name is Ardiansyah and you can call me Andi. I'm from AIPI Makassar and my major is Nautical Department Perutu. And today, I want to show you the workshop of AIPI Makassar.
Welcome to the workshop of Campus AIPI Makassar. The workshop of AIPI Makassar is comprehensive facility designed to provide hand-to-hand, hand-on training and practical experience for students pursuing maritime-related courses located within the campus. This workshop equips students with essential skill and knowledge in ship maintenance, repair, and operation. Facility: machine shop equipped with lattice milling machine, and drilling machine for machining and fabricating. Welding shop featuring oxy-acetylene, MAG, and arc welding equipment for various welding technique. And also in the engine room, mimics real-world engine room condition for training. Electrical workshop focused on electrical circuitry, electronic, and navigation system. Rigging and sailing area practical training for rigging maintenance.
I provided a video showing the content of AIPI Makassar workshop, and I want to explain some of the tools that used by engineering cadet of AIPI Makassar, especially engineering cadet, such as electronic welding machine. Electrical welding machine is a specialized device used to join metal pieces together through the process of welding. Utilizing the process of welding, it operates by generating an electric that comes from here, electric current that creates heat in these pieces, which melt the edges of the metal pieces, allowing them to fuse. The main engine of the ship. The main engine of the ship is the primary power source responsible for propelling the vessel and generating electrical for onboard system. Typically, the engine run on fuel, such as diesel or heavy fuel oil, and convert the thermal energy from combustion into mechanical energy. This energy is used to turn the ship propeller, allowing them to move forward or backward in the water. It's a generator. A generator is an electrical machine that converts mechanical energy into electrical energy through electromagnetic induction. And technical definition of a generator is a device that transforms mechanical energy from external source, such as diesel engine or turbine, into electrical energy, utilizing electromagnetic induction principle. Oxy-acetylene welding. Just like electrical welding machine, oxy-acetylene welding is a welding process that uses mixture of oxygen and acetylene gases to produce high temperature flame welding and joining the metal.